Morning everybody. Today I'm going to, bright sun. Today I'm going to be doing a little hiking and creek fishing, but right now I need to change backpacks so I can fit all my tackle and everything in it, plus some lunch because I'm going to be out there just about all day. Alright, so today's plan is to catch some fish. Actually, catch some fish. I'm going to hike a creek and see if I can catch some fish. Mainly smallmouth, just random stuff, but yeah, I want to get out and see what the bite's like. Alright, I want to explain my camera. My camera's a Nikon D3200. It's not even mine, it's my girlfriend's, but there's no real autofocus. I have to manually hit the button to get it to focus or put it on manual and adjust the lens, but then I can't see myself. It doesn't have a flip around screen, so once again I cannot see myself when I'm filming, so I don't even know if any of this stuff is coming out. I'm just kind of pointing the lens right at my face and hopefully everything turns out. I just spilled that on my pants.
Got nothing to say about that. I can't
That's
say
great.
No, we can't get
Real great.
Ohio State, Michigan, Ohio State, or Kirk Street.
Dang it.
Jim Harbaugh.
Got a bunch of slow-moving water right here, just under a bridge and just below the falls. Alright, so the first spot was a little bit of a bust. I threw a popper for a little while. Sorry, I'm in the sun. Threw a popper for a little while, and then I switched up to basically like a little Ned-rigged crawl. We're gonna keep going downstream, see what else we can find. Need some calmer water, some deeper pools. This wasn't very deep right there, but we'll keep going and see how it goes. Nothing huge. Nice little guy right here. jig. Just fishing this current with like a marabou style jig. Okay, just caught those couple fish right in this little run. And now I have to climb back up the side of the creek bank, which is this. Straight up. Just caught this little guy. Tiny, tiny. Just right in this current. Super healthy fish. This is a decent little fish. Oh, look what I got. I got a sucker. It's a sucker. Caught a sucker. Look at that. Biggest fish of the day. It's fat fish. Alright, so that little spot went pretty well. I caught one sucker and 3 smallmouth, I think? 3 maybe? Yeah. But I just started throwing a wacky rig. Got a few bites. Couldn't capitalize on anything, so we're going to try to go around to the other side of the creek and see how the fishing is on that side. Well, that's probably going to wrap up today's video. I didn't catch anything in my last spot. I finished off throwing a drop shot, but I didn't catch anything, so right now I'm just going to head out, go get some lunch, and just chill. This is my day off. Tomorrow I'm going to the lake for Labor Day. This is the Labor Day weekend, whatever. I'm going to the lake. Anyway, yeah, so hope you guys stick around. When I get home, I will probably run over everything I threw, how I caught stuff. Alright, recap over today. I'm just going to go over the equipment I use basically. So this is a 6.6 light Temple Fork Outfitters rod. It is paired up with a Lews Speed Spool 100. What I have on here, it's not braid, it's called NanoFil. It's like braid. I have it's 8-pound NanoFil. I have a leader on that is, I believe, 4-pound test. P-line 4-pound test. Yeah, that's my setup basically when I go to the creek or a river. It's my trout rod, crappie rod, any kind of light line, lightweight stuff. But I've just recently started doing drop shotting, wacky rigging, some different stuff like that, and it's been working out really well for all that. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, and stay tuned for the next one.